Hey everybody, I'm Susie TYNER's talking avatar, checking out the Curtis family C notes at Thrive City at Chase Center, home of the Golden State Warriors. And I mean, they are rocking. Check them out. And dancing is Chocolate Platinum, a.k.a. Patricia Lowe, Bay Area's line dance instructor.
Everybody let go. all the time, all the time. Just just
Clap your hands.
Free yourself. Go. One.
We are the Curtis Family C Notes, and a reminder that we are unapologetically a family band with mother and the father.
Thank you, baby. We're gonna give Zahara some time to get on her acoustic. And I'm gonna take this time actually to introduce everyone. If that's all right, is that all right, everybody? Amen? We're gonna start from the youngest. This is on keys. Everybody on the stage plays multiple instruments. I don't have the time to list them all today, but right now what you see them playing, this is Phoenix on keys. All right. Next, we've got Kiki, left-handed guitarist. I will say this about Kiki. She is a lefty. She had to learn on a right-handed guitar upside down. She got it like that. All right, next in birth order, we got Isis on drums. Y'all show her some love, come on. She's always in the back on the drums. And then we've got Niall, the bass man. Wave your hand, son.
Hello.
And the oldest that made me a mother. I've been called a mother, you know, but the child that made me a mom, I'm so proud to be a mother and a wife, Zahara Curtis. Amen.
And let me introduce this out front person here that you see. My lovely wife of almost 20 years.
Wow. That's right, 20 years.
Wow.
Damn. All right, Phoenix, come on, you're going to help me sing this song, baby.
Miss Nola Curtis, we call her Mama C. Mama C also plays multiple instruments. We are both music professors.
And last but never least, Papa C, if you look him up, do yourself a favor and you want to go down a fun rabbit hole, Google Maestro Curtis. San Francisco, born in New Orleans, raised in San Francisco. Please show your love for Papa C.
One, two, three.
notes. What we doing?
Yeah, stream the album as well. Thank y'all very much. Hope you enjoyed it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to purchase or stream Awaken, Curtis Family C Notes.